Hi. I don't know that you're supposed to go in there. That's Daddy's present. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, well, thank you. You want me to? Hello. How are you? Oh, they want to talk to you. What are they saying, Joe? Are you going to fill up your gas tank? Here. Let's fill it up. Good job. All full. No, it's not full. No, you can't fill that. You gotta fill your tank. Can you put it back? Uh-oh. Can you fill it back up? You're gonna fill your tank back up? Can you put that away, bud? Can you put it back? Can you put your gas back? Good job. Good job. Uh-oh. It's falling over. Careful. Put it back and let's get in our car and drive it. Can you put the gas back? Put it away. So you're that guy who drives away with the gas. Okay.